is Sophie Lawson from sophielawson.com, and this is another little quick look video. I'm going to quickly look at this cardboard box because it's a massive box. It's so big that I can't fit it all on the camera. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to slice it. Oh, my little knife broke. I'll slice it open. I love this knife. It's a Derwent knife. I don't know why it's falling out. I've obviously broken it somehow. It just fell on the floor. I dropped it. There we go. I'm going to slice it open, and inside of here is 58 imagineFX magazines and 2 little fantasy magazines. So what I'm going to do, I'm just going to go through them all. I'll just get them out of the box and have a look at them. But this was a bargain, this was. I got it on eBay for 58 magazines for £20 with £10 postage. So it cost 30 quid for all these. That's like 50p an issue, which is amazing. Little Dennis is excited. So what I do, here we go, look. Yummies. It even has all the DVDs and the additional books. So if I move this over here, what I do is I put that there. So what I'm going to do with these magazines is I'm going to do little click look videos, and there'll be like articles for the website, for the podcast. I'm really excited for this. This was with issue number 100, I think. It's 100 favourite artists. So it's just going to be, this is going to be full of inspiration for, it's nice. But what I do is I'll do separate videos of each of these magazines in the future. Put that over there. What's this here, look? It's a little poster. Oh, Dinotopia! That's what, 2012, look. That's what's his face. That's, I got his thingy-jig, his book. James Gurney. Nice. So what I love about these magazines is they're the subscriber issues. So they're the special ones where you get no text on the front, which I think is sexy. December 2013. I can't wait to get into these. So the only reason I'm doing this little video now is because I wanted to get into them and then start looking at them. Look at this, look. Cool. This one, I was excited for this one. This is issue 100. Look how beautiful these covers look. So what I do is I do separate videos for each of these magazines. That's a cool one, look. Big monster thing. What issue was that? 2013. We got, gee, it's cool. Sexy that is. Oh, I like the way they done that, look. They made the logo like a comic book. That's quite cool, that is. That's nice. Little tigers. Yay, we got a manga one, look. Oh, cool. Wraps right around, look. Oh, that's fun. I bet this one doesn't. No. I like that they've done that. Little DVD. Gee, it's cool. Oh, this is going to be so fun. What I love about these magazines is the sketches. Because you get pages with sketches in. She's cool. Oh, look at that, look. It's different. Again, you get inspiration. Star Wars one. Oh, that's a cool one, that. I wish that one mapped around. I like that. That's nice as well. Very nice texture. Oh, that is so fun. Look, little creatures eating the logo. That's funny. little creatures, little naughty creatures. Oh, I love this one here, look. We love manga. That's a nice one. I'll put those over there. That's a nice one as well. I'm going to have to get... I like the manga ones. That's cool, that. Oh, I've seen that before. Seen that, so I think that's probably in one of the manga books I did a clip look of. She's cool. Hey, there's different size. I prefer that size. 2011. That must have been the old size. I prefer that shape. Oh, look at this one here, look. Bit retro. I like how they changed the logo. That's nice. Big shape thing. She was on the cover of one of the clip look books I did. Oh cool, what's this? We've got a little calendar. 2011 calendar. He's funny. Cool. Okay. I love that. Tells you the artist on there. A little website as well. Oh, cool. Steve Barrett. That's cool. Oh. Look at all these little magazines up. That's quite fun, that. Oh, that's a nice one, that. Look at the logo, the text is like hidden. That's sexy, that is. DVD. Like that. Cool. I like that. It's mad. It reminds me a bit of, what's it called? Lollipop Chainsaw. Oh, that's a nice one. Universe. God, there's so many of these. I'm not even halfway through yet. That's cool. Oh, nice. I hope this doesn't sound rude, but did Frank Frazetta die? See, I've heard of Frank, little Frankie. Oh, on the 10th of May, just 2 days ago, before Frank Frazetta passed away. Little look. That's nice. What a nice way to do that. Oh, this is a sexy one, look. What's this here? DVDs all over the place. I like that. Look at the logo again, like it's like dripping blood. Cool. That's nice. I saw this one on the website. It's weird, that one. It's like 2D. So this one's nice. Look. Dragon serpent thing. Oriental. The amount of artists you're going to get out of this. Like new artists to explore. That's nice. Now we move on to the other side. So along with the imagineFX magazines, there was also 2 fantasy art books. So there's 60 magazines in total. This one looks really fun. Oh, that looks nice. I'll do quick looks at these. It's got a weird texture, that. That was the first one. This was the second. She's cool. Look how thick these are, look. Volume 1 and 2. I'm quite excited for those. Oh, nice. Brian Freud. That's the guy who does the little goblins, I think. That'd be fun. Nice. These covers are so much better without text on, I think. Look, it's like flipped about. That's quite fun, they've already done that. They've done it back. Why have they done it? Pin up art. Oh, that's going to be amazing. It's weird. Yay, sketches. I love sketches. Oh, I like that. I like the logo, look. That's cool. This one looks a bit like Terminator. Reminded me of Terminator for some reason. Sexy. 50th issue. Cool. So we got the 50th issue and the 100th. It's nice, retro-y. Again, a really nice one. But this one pulls out. Oh, nice. It's beautiful. Assassin's Creed. Oh, look what they've done with the logo, look. They put the Assassin's, you can just sort of see it. And they've done the same with imagineFX, look, it's just, you can't see that unless you, I love stuff like that. I love that logo, that cover. That's a nice one as well. Look. You're going to find out how to create these. Look at the colours on that. It's nice as well. Also different. I like that. That's fun, look. They've like made the outside sort of look like it's worn. Look at this one here. How beautiful is that? That's beautiful. Oh, we got the magic of manga. This one's a nice one as well. Love that. I like the colours. Scooter. I love that, it's like Mass Effect. Another sexy one. Comic art, look. That's cool as well. It's like realistic with sort of cartoony, cel shaded-y thing. Oh, I've seen this. This was one of my favourites. Oh, this was one of my favourites in one of the imagineFX books. I hope we're going to get to see. It'll probably be the same article, but it might have all the resources on here. Look, painting a fairy scene. Maybe that'll have. You'll be able to. That'd be nice. Beautiful gothic art. I think they said there was a couple issues that weren't the subscriber ones. That's these two. Look how much not as good they look when they've got all the text on them. Yeah, they look so much better like that. Nice, Egypt. Ancient Egypt. Does that thing again. Oh, I like that. That's Titanfall, I think. At least it reminds me of that. cool. Little like Gandalf. Smart people. It's quite cool, that one. And then the last one is a little... He reminds me of somebody as well. Well, that's incredible, that is. Oh, look at the sketches. Yay! Oh, I can't wait for this. So the plan now is to do little click look videos of all of these. And also, if I find articles that I really like, that I want to read and stuff, what I'll do is, I'll make little podcast. Bryson Julie Bowler. One of my favourite artists is if I find articles and stuff, I'm going to turn them into podcasts. And also, the little sketches, I'm going to sit down and copy them. So this is going to be amazing. I hope you enjoyed that. There's a look at 60 different magazines, 58 imagineFX magazines. And I'm going to go and have a proper look at them now.